Okay, please tell us a story.
This story is from a viewpoint of a forest officer as a narrator. Ah, he's getting call 6 a.m. in the morning. He's just irritated. He just gets up and who the hell is calling right now at 6 a.m.? Oh my God. Who is waking me up in this cold weather? Oh my God. The phone keeps on ringing and he just, okay, let me take this call. Hello, Anand. Why have you called this time? Oh, wow, really? I'm so excited for this. I'm really, really excited for this. Thank you so much, Anand, for giving me this news. I just got the news that my favorite elephant doctor, that Dr. K, is going to get Padma Shri Award. I was trying to get him this award for past 3 years. The first year I applied, they just rejected. The second year, I had to tell about him and narrate about him to everyone in the cultural ministry so that at least they could take him to the next level. And this time, the third time, I just met the cultural minister in person. I elaborated all of his findings and things, and I wanted him very badly to be getting Padma Shri. So I'm just overwhelmed with joy that he's going to get it this time. And I think I should be with him at that time when he gets the announcement. I just know, I just want to tell you how I first met him. That was only 2 weeks from then I was posted as a forest officer and I was in my office. I just got a call that there is a dead body of elephant in the forest. I rushed to the place, but when I rushed to the place, the first thing I saw was a big decayed body of an elephant full of worms. And in between the worms, Dr. K was working and he was examining the body. I was like, I puked at the very first sight and I just fainted. When I woke up, I was in my house with my helper Marimutu told me, sir, in a mocking way, sir, you fainted. It's your first time. Oh, it's okay. After you gain some experience, it'll be okay for you. I was a little ashamed to have fainted in between all the chaos. It's okay. The next day when I reached office, I asked about Dr. K, and the stuff I heard was really amazing. Dr. K was not just a doctor. He had 30 years experience as a forest doctor, and he had invented the procedure to do autopsy for elephants. And this procedure was followed throughout the world to take care of elephants and to do autopsy in the death of elephants. Anywhere in the world, if an elephant is sick, the first name that comes to everyone's mind is Dr. Krishnamurti. I was really amazed by him. I just wanted to meet him. The next day I went to meet him. He told, "Why did you faint?" The first word he told was, "Why did you faint?" I told, "How can you catch all the worms in your hand and how can you work like that? I even feel like puking now thinking of the scene." Dr. K told me, "Okay, have you seen an insect in your home? A small insect?" I told, "Yes, I have seen." He told, "The worm is the baby version of the insect. Will you be scared or will you puke at seeing a baby? It's a worm is like a baby." His view was very different, but I couldn't get get along with him. So I thought I'll make friends with him. He's a great conversationalist. So I made friends with him, and within a month, I started seeing worms as babies. Okay, then I had to go to his home. I went to his home. He was working on some reports. He asked me, "Why are you here at this time?" I don't want to open the surprise. Let him hear from the radio. Um, I just felt like seeing you, so I came here. He offered me some tea and he started a conversation, but I was not attentive at all. He just found out. found out and he told, what are you doing? Why are you not hearing at all? Why are you here at this time? I told him about the Padma Shri award and all the things I've done for it. I thought he's going to smile at me, but he was still looking at the book. Why is he still looking at the book? Dr. K, are you not happy about this? I asked. He told, when he saw me, I saw his face. It was really angry. Why is he angry about this? Why are you angry about this, Dr. K? Why are you doing this? Dr. K told, I never thought you will be like this, and this power game will be very important to you. I thought you're different from all the officers. I thought you understood what it means to be in forest. There are a lot of people I see coming to forest. They'll just be here for a year. They'll go out. For them, forest is just data. But I thought you saw them as a life. The life in the forest is so difficult. What am I going to do with that idiotic paper that bunch of idiots are going to give me? Do you think the elephants who are acquainted with me for past 30 years, if I go show them this paper, are they going to honor me? Oh, Dr. K, congrats. Are they going to honor me because, are they going to be friends with me and honor me because I get this award? No. The honor is being acquainted with them. Do you see the Kumki elephant Selva who is outside? I just made a surgery on him. I didn't even apply any medicines, but he was just friendly with me and just stayed calm because he trusted me. That trust is the honor for me. And this bunch of idiots and the paper that they give, it is just not important for me. It's high time you realize that. I was just heartbroken by what he said. I said, sorry, Dr. K, I never thought of this like that. I just thought this would be a small gesture of love towards you. He was like, okay, cool, never mind. We'll just continue the work what we have. We have to go collect some poop samples of the deers here. I think they have an infection going on. We just got on with the work, and the work lasted till midnight. It was very late for me to return. So he told, okay, just stay with me. I went to the bed. After an hour, I just heard a small sound coming from outside. I went there. I just saw some line of something moving. What would it be? Oh my God, it's a small elephant. Dr. K, there is a small elephant waiting outside your house. Dr. K rushed, and we saw a small elephant, and there was a beer bottle in his leg. He was tickling with pain. He was moaning with the pain. Dr. K immediately removed the glass bottle from the elephant's leg, and he was like patting the elephant and pampering it with some love. He asked me, do you remember this elephant? He was the one we saw in Mudumalai last year. Do you remember him? He was very small then. From Mudumalai, I was really astonished. From Mudumalai, the elephant has traveled here? Yes. Elephants have a good sense for directions. They can smell and they can track our smell. How will he return? Don't worry, he'll just return in the morning by himself. Just when we were talking, we just saw 20 elephants away from us. It was his herd. When Dr. Krishnamurti just saw them, the herd neared us, and in a moment of joy, the whole herd made a loud trumpet, and they continuously trumpeted for some time. It was as if the heaven was open and they showered the blessings of God. The elephants were all blessing Dr. K. And that moment, the elephants were like honoring him. Who cares about the honor that people give? Dr. K was right. That's it.